Sure, here is the translated text into English. Dash space may appear completely black and silent, but there's so much happening there that we can't hear or comprehend. NASA's recordings from space have captured some strange sounds that leave everyone astonished. Let's revisit a remarkable event that happened around 44 years ago. On September 5, 1977, NASA launched a space probe named Voyager 1 into interstellar space. This space probe has been in constant contact with NASA's base station for the past 44 years. It was sent on a mission with no hope of returning. The probe is traveling in deep space at a speed of 61,000 kilometers per hour and is currently floating far from us in the dark void, sending information about our solar system and the universe. We call this region of space interstellar space. In 2012, upon entering interstellar space, NASA scientists received a signal from Voyager 1 that was truly unsettling. When the signal was decoded, it revealed some bizarre sounds that Voyager 1 had recorded from billions of kilometers away. The sound recorded was unlike anything heard before and seemed to be unending. Humans waited for days, but the sound did not stop or even diminish. It continued for a year, and then another year, and even after several years, the intensity of the sound showed only a slight reduction. This sound was the longest recorded by Voyager 1 in its 44-year history, keeping scientists awake with its mystery. The strange part was that even though Voyager 1 had moved 16 billion kilometers from the initial point where the sound was recorded, the sound remained as strong as ever. This distance is equivalent to making about 4,000 trips from Earth to the Moon. The fact that the sound spread over such a vast distance left researchers puzzled. In space, there is no atmosphere or medium to carry sound waves, so sound cannot travel in space. However, electromagnetic waves can travel easily. Although our ears can't perceive them, Voyager 1 recorded these waves and sent them back to Earth for decoding. This was the unique sound sent by Voyager 1 from interstellar space. Some scientists believe that this sound might have originated from plasma waves present in space, while others think there could be some hidden forces in deep space responsible for this sound. We still lack the capability to fully understand these phenomena. Voyager 1 captures these waves with its antenna, converts them into radio signals, and transmits them to Earth. Even though these messages travel at the speed of light, it takes about 21 hours to reach NASA's antennas on Earth. This was not the first time Voyager 1 sent a peculiar sound. In 2007, NASA experienced another unusual event when they received abnormal signals from space. It seemed like something or someone was attacking Voyager 1 with laser beams. These recorded sounds, known as fast radio bursts, were so unusual that scientists speculated about various possibilities, including interactions with black holes or supernova explosions billions of light-years away. Some even suggested that advanced extraterrestrial civilizations might be using these bursts to power their spacecraft. Besides these recordings, NASA's Voyager 2, which was launched for research on our solar system's planets, also recorded strange and unsettling sounds. For instance, Jupiter's moon Ganymede has a sound that could give you chills. Some believe this sound is related to electromagnetic waves that create polar lights, similar to the auroras on Earth. This sound might be a converted version of these polar lights occurring on Jupiter's moon Ganymede. There are many other strange sounds recorded by NASA from space. For example, Saturn, another planet in our solar system, also produced some unusual sounds that might be related to radio waves emitted by spacecraft or solar lights within Saturn. Voyager 1 has been sending us photos and information from outer space for 44 years. Unfortunately, it will soon run out of power and will be unable to communicate with us. NASA estimates that Voyager 1 will have enough power to stay in contact for another 1 or 2 years. After that, we will only have its photos left. We hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for your love and comments. Stay tuned for more amazing videos.